morning, YouTubers. It's Mark here again with exoticcarplayplace. Welcome back, welcome to the channel, and welcome to this video. And I know a lot of you guys are following me because you love the E60 content, but I know there's a lot of you guys that are new to my channel, and I want to say to you guys, you're really going to enjoy it. Definitely take the time to browse through my channel. You're going to love a lot of the videos on the E60 as well as a lot of the other cars that I'm featuring on a regular basis. But before we get started on this video, which happens to be about the secret menu found in the mDrive system on my BMW E60 M5, I would like to just ask you guys to make sure, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button linked right down below, that little cute little box down on the right hand side. Make sure you hit that little subscribe button. Also, don't forget to make sure you do turn on those notifications so that you see all the new videos coming up. But anyway, let's head out to the garage. We're going to show you the M5, and I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you the process and explain to you roughly what you need to do to access this menu. Let's go, guys. All right, let's climb in. Now, what's also very important before we get started, guys, so your navigation DVD is in place. The other thing, if you have the soft touch access in your car, all you need to do is keep the key in your pocket or on the dash. Do not press the brake. Hit the start button twice, and you want to bring up the second stage of ignition. You don't want to start the car, but you also don't want the first layer. You have to hit it twice, the two layers. So hit the button twice and hold. Get the car turned on like that. Also, if you have a manual transmission, slightly different. But anyway, we're talking about the SMG car, so let's take a look and see what we have to do. Before we get started, you want to make sure your DVD is actually in its respective spot. Right now, it's not. I'm going to have to dig out the navigation DVD. We'll make sure we put that into there. So as I say, no foot on the brake. You want to make sure it's off. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to hit this once, twice. And now, as you can see, we're on. That's the full stage. Next thing you want to do is I'm going to go into the glove box here, and I'm going to grab that CD out of there. See, that's the wonderful navigation DVD here for this car. And I'm going to close that business up. Throw that into here. That's going to eat it up like candy. And now that the DVD is running, it's basically in this special menu. That's your communication, climate control, navigation, and entertainment screen. And because we're in this mode now, this is where we have to be. We're going to get started on the actual operation of this. And that starts with, you want to make sure that you press and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, press. And now you can see, guys, we have entered the special mode. And again, just a quick repeat here. You press and hold this for probably a dozen seconds. 8 seconds supposedly the minimum, although I've had more miss than hits on that, so I would hold it closer to 12 to 15 seconds. Press and hold. Toggle 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3 to the left, 1 right, 1 left, 1 more right, press it again, and now this is the menu we're in. So we are in the diagnostic applications menu. So of course now you can hit enter into there. And of course you have a host of things that you can check out. Of course you have things like phone, hidden SIDS, system Intel. Here, let's take a look. Just gives you different codes. Telephone, if you want to know, and you have your version there. Date, as you can see, it's a 2005. It was actually, looks like it was more or less produced in July of 2005. And it just has a host of information. You can plug in anywhere, get all this information. If you're kind of a tuner guy and you happen to be one of these guys that's techie and wants to dig in, there's a lot of little things here. Now, the majority of this information is a read-only. This is not a place to actually
make any significant changes, because the point is you really can't make any changes. It's really more just for information. It gives you software revision numbers. As you can see down in there, you can see there's software revision numbers, vehicle manufacturer information. You have all kinds of other cool little things in there that you can read up on. Just gives you more information about your car. So again, you have a host of other little functions here that you hit click, and you can basically see if any of this stuff's, you know, to read, or if it's any use to you yourself. Again, more of just a read-only application. You're not really even going to hurt anything with this by monkeying around in this area. I have another series of, basically another video coming up in a little while here to show you some unhidden, basically unlocked treasures that you can find through the onboard computer. But today I just wanted to show you this read-only function through the mDrive. It gives you a little more information. I know everybody likes to tinker with their cars when you got a few extra minutes, and you know what? There's a cool little thing to do. See, as you notice, you're in the mode. All you got to do is hit menu, and I've cleared. I'm out of there. So I haven't made any changes. Really hope you enjoyed the video. A quick little, basically a little tour through your mDrive, the background, the software part of the mDrive system. I want to kind of tap into that and show you how to access it. Very straightforward to do. Again, don't worry about going in there and fooling around. You can't hurt anything. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like. Make sure if you're new to my channel, you subscribe to my channel. You're going to love a lot of the content. Obviously, you came here because of the M5, and there is a lot of M5 content on my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right? Love to see you soon, and we'll talk to you then. Okay, bye-bye.